Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our online class. With you, Manager Halima Sadia Kabir, on the subject national values. In our previous classes, we looked at the following topics: good governance, governments and their duties. Under governments, we looked at the local governments, the state governments, and the federal government, their duties and their functions. Now, what is good governance? Governance, meaning of governance, good governance means fair, transparent, and accountable leadership. That is, it ensures rule of law and equal right to all citizens. It provides basic needs for citizens and also encourage participation in decision making. Then we look at local governments. In Nigeria, we have 774 local governments, and these local governments have their duties towards their community. The first duty of local government is provision of primary education, the construction of local roads, waste disposal and sanitation, birth and death registration at the hospitals, the maintenance of local markets. Then we look at the problems of local governments. Some of the problems of local governments are insufficient funds. There is no money in circulation that is enough to cater for the needs of the people at the local level. Then we also have corruption and mismanagement. Only few people hijack the money that is meant for local government projects, and also the interference from state governments. Then we have poor skilled workers. Since the local government is the least of all the local government tasks, it tends to be neglected. Then we have state governments. The state government is the one in between the federal and the local government. Their responsibilities are management of secondary education, construction of state road, healthcare services, employment, and also ensure security, and also maintenance of public facilities. All these, among others, were discussed in the class. Then we have the problems of state government, over-dependence on federal allocation. Most of the states in Nigeria are dependent on what is coming from the federal government for their capital projects. Also, corruption is one of the problems facing the state government. Our leaders are corrupt. All they do is when this money allocated for the states comes in, few people hijack it and then use it for their own personal and family activity. Then we have poor planning. There are lots of good plans ahead for the state government, but none of them is being practicalized. Then we have the issue of insecurity in some states. For instance, what is going on in Niger State now is an example. The insecurity problem where most of our educational activities have to be halted. Then we have the 36 states and their capitals. You were taught that from your nursery classes, even in songs, that state and their capitals. You don't need to go dwell into them. We've done them in the class, so go through your books and then read them well. And that is where we stop for the time. So I wish you all the best. May Allah Azza wa Jal help us in our endeavors and grant us the ability to understand. And Assalamu alaikum.